Is that the Shark vacuum cleaner? Shark vacuum cleaners? Is the Shark vacuum cleaner went on, turn on? Where did it go? Okay, sit. Where did the Shark vacuum cleaner go? Is he coming? Is he coming? Where's the Shark vacuum cleaner? Where did he go? You want to go find him? Let's go find the Shark vacuum cleaner. Come on. Want to find the Shark vacuum cleaner? Do you want to find the Shark vacuum cleaner? Do you? Let's go. Let's go. Where's the Shark vacuum cleaner? Is he coming? Is he coming? Shark vacuum cleaner, where is he? Where is he? I know you don't like vacuum cleaners, but where is it? What? Come on, let's go. Oh, he's in my room. David, come here. How did he go in my room? I don't want him in my room. I don't know. I don't know. How did he get in my room? We gotta get him out of this room. Oh boy. Oh boy. Boy, he's in my room. I didn't have the blankets picked up yet. How did he come in here? You're telling me he's here? The Shark vacuum cleaner. Wow! Oh, I had this door closed. And you opened the Shark vacuum cleaner. Oh boy. What are you doing in my room? Come on. Vacuum cleaner, Shark vacuum cleaner, come on out. Come on out, man. Okay. The Shark vacuum cleaner in there now. Now he's in the other way. He's the other way. Hey, who let the vacuum cleaner in here? The Shark vacuum cleaner. Oh boy. Here he comes. Shark vacuum cleaner. Beware. Beware. Yeah. Oh my word. Yeah. Did you see the Shark vacuum cleaner, Belle? Yeah, I know. Yes, I know. Use a Shark vacuum cleaner. You guys told me about the Shark vacuum cleaner? Yeah? He's in my room now. Oh boy. You're in my room. Did you open the door? Did you open the door? You opened the door of my room? This is crooked. You want to go outside? You want to go outside? No, not you. I know why. I didn't ask you to go. So, Belle, you can't go outside. No. No. Not now. No. You can't go out there now. No. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay. How long has the vacuum cleaner been running? I don't know. I'd like to know. Hey, Hannah. Did you see the vacuum cleaner? The Shark vacuum cleaner. Oh. Now let's double check this vacuum cleaner here. I thought I heard a bang. What? You heard the bang too? I hope not. Or is the vacuum cleaner going to come out and come and get me? Let's go see. You want to see the sock vacuum cleaner? You know anything about the sock vacuum cleaner? Huh? I did want him in my room. And he went in my room. He went in my room. Alright. You go in this room now? There's the sock vacuum cleaner I think went in here. Come on. Come on, you. Eva. Eva! Come on, Eva! Okie dokie.